I'm going to talk to you guys something near and dear to my heart. Pictures a thousand worth. I had amazing mentors over the last 30 years, but then initially when I first started working as a runner, literally one of those guys, well, not one of those guys, but I look like those guys in the back there, right there. As a runner, literally running paper to these people to do the transactions. They're called runners in the World Trade Center, which is not there, obviously, sadly. But I had like amazing mentors, and I think that's what you guys should do. So I'm trying to be that mentor to you guys. I never forget a lot of the advice they gave me, even today, right? When I'm in a trade and I'm doing one of these, as professional as I am, once in a while, I'll still do one of these. When you do one of these, the mental, the financial, well, financial first, obviously, the physical, the mental aspect of this is horrendous. Now, this is called don't catch a falling knife. Okay. And my mentors used to always say that to me. They go like, they would say, it's never too late to sell, and don't catch a falling knife. Wait for things to settle down. Their markets open every day, Serge. You don't need to be a jockey. You don't need to participate every single day in what's happening, but don't do this. Because, so think about this. You have a very sharp blade, okay, that will slice and dice you, all right? So what are the odds of me grabbing the handle of that blade, and from about 10 feet, I drop the blade, and I ask you to do what? Now, with one hand, I'm asking you, grab that handle. Because if you don't grab the handle, what's going to happen? Most of the time, look at the size of the blade versus look at the handle, right? Just to be able to grab the handle, there are two things that are going to happen. You're not going to be able to grab it because your brain is going to go, I just can't do it. I'm going to get sliced. And that's one loss. But most of the time, people will go, I think I can do it. I think I can grab this handle. And no, what will happen is that you will catch part of the blade and some of the handle, and you will get sliced. So my advice to all of you who want to get into trading or who want to do anything else, trading options, commodities, any asset class, wait until it happens. The reason I'm showing you guys this today, because once I start showing you guys my charts for the week, there is a lot of this picture happening right now. A lot. All those wonderful uptrends that we talked about last month, right? From Apple's to Nvidia's to AMD's to Tesla's to all that, this is taking place right now. So don't be a hero, because it'll take your account to zero. What I want you guys to do, this is the time to protect what you have made over the last year, let's say. Preservation of capital is what you were playing for now, right? As opposed to gains. Now, some people will be in and out, and whatever, stock jockeys, hummingbirds, fine, let them be. What I'm telling you now is that when there is this much damage done technically to charts, which we're going to talk about in detail coming shortly, you need to have patience now. The first P of the 3 Ps has to come into play. Patience, position, and planning. Patience has to be the most important thing right now for people who go, yeah, I think I'm going to try to catch one of these knives, and then I get sliced and diced, and then to remedy that is going to take you longer than, right, that potentially profitable trade. Now, what's going to happen is that there will be bounces, obviously, because nothing goes down forever, straight down forever. However, the idea is, take me as your mentor. Remember these nuggets I'm throwing out to you guys. Don't catch a falling knife. Don't. There's 10,000 stocks out there. Believe it or not, even in a drawdown, there are stocks that do really, really well, which I'm going to show you guys some, right? So study your charts, figure out which ones are outperforming the market. Believe me, even on a day like yesterday or the day before, when the market completely was taken out back and shot, NASDAQ going down 600 points, right? Yeah, if you were an Apple, you got smashed, or Nvidia or Google or Amazon or Microsoft or Meta. But believe me, there were a lot of stocks that are green, and we're going to talk about that. We're going to talk about my absolutely wonderfully timely advice about 2-3 weeks ago. I mean, honestly, I cannot emphasize enough. If you're new to the channel, go back about 2 weeks, watch the Power Hour. It's on the channel. It's public. I can't take it back. I don't take videos down. I put them up and they stay there. I talked about what? The rally broadening, okay? I talked about the S&P 500 and the triple Qs coming down, and rally broadening, and I said we should pay attention to the IWM, which is the Russell 2000. We're going to show the charts. Charts don't lie, okay? We're going to show the charts, and we're going to see if I was accurate or if I was a moron. But ultimately, don't do this. Don't. Okay? Find good setups for you. Even in a shitty market, you can find good setups. Find the good setups that work for you. If you do this, you're going to get hurt more ways than one.